Yes, again, welcome to Marinduque Global Center Tuesday Atomy Zoom meeting. I am SM Belen Padilla from Atomy, Singapore. Do we have new members? Tayo-tayo pa rin. So anyway, I hope na may mga darating na bagong attendees. And before I start my presentation, I want to ask who attended the Marinduque Global Center Zoom meeting last week? May mga nag-attend? Alam ko tayo-tayo, may mga bago ba? So last week, DM Rallen shared about the Auto Sales Masters income. So marami tayo natutunan from last week at nakaka-inspire na gawin ng Atomy knowing yung potential income na pwede natin ma-enjoy. Sa start ng presentation ni DM Rallen, she mentioned about the lecture she heard from then Crown Master Mi Young Park, which is about the creating the habits for success. Ano nga ba yung mga habits na ginagawa ng isang successful na tao? So, DM Rallen's topic last week is about ASM income. So, kung hindi kayo nakapag-attend last week, please watch the recording. And today, my presentation will focus on 8 core daily habits. So, let's discuss one by one. Ano nga ba yung mga habits na ginagawa ng ating mga successful leaders sa Atomy? Ayan. So, this will be our topic for today, the daily 8 core. 8 core. Simple lang yung daily 8 core. We have to do reading, watching video, attend meeting, use product, show the plan, consumer delivery, sponsor consultation, and building trust. Madali lang ba? Simple lang? Ang problema, most of the time, yung mga simple things or yung mga madadali, yun yung madalas na nane-neglect or yun yung nababaliwala or nakakalimutan or hindi natin masyadong pinagtutuunan ng pansin. That's why in Atomy, they are helping us to make this 8 core a daily habit. There's a checklist for us to use to monitor. Ano na nga ba yung nagawa natin for today? Ano yung mga hindi pa? And if we can do it every day, after some time, it will become a habit and it will become natural in our daily activities. Have you heard about the 2190 rule? Sabi nila, it takes 21 days to make a habit. 90 days to make it permanent lifestyle change. So kapag paulit-ulit natin ginagawa ang isang bagay, ito ay ating nakakasanayan na. Nagiging way of life na. Kaya I encourage all of you, join me in this short presentation as I share one of Atomy's recipe to success, the Daily 8 Core. Itong Daily 8 Core ay yung mga actions na kailangan nating gawin to get our first million in Atomy. So, gusto nyo bang maging milyonaryo? Kung yes ang inyong sagot, join me. Okay, so let's do the 8 core one by one. The first one is reading. Read for at least 15 minutes daily. Honestly, this is the most challenging for me. Hindi talaga ako mahilig magbasa. Wala pa nga ako natapos na book, to tell you honestly. But I am doing my best. Kasi alam ko, importante ito. So last week, pumunta kami sa National Bookstore sa Manila nung nasa Pilipinas ako. And I found this pocket book by Chinkitan. Anyway, wala akong income, hindi ko ini-introduce yung book. I just find it interesting. So I browse and become interested in this small book. So I bought them and yes, I started reading them. I shared the book to our children. So Jeremy and Princess, they are also browsing them. And I think Jeremy is almost halfway on the My Budget Diary. Naunahan niya pa ako. But at least, I am now reading kahit pa konti-konti. What I'm trying to emphasize is, in sharing this is, minsan talaga may mga tao na hindi mahilig magbasa. Pero, if we can find something na magtitikel sa interest natin, something na magiging interested tayo, kahit papano magbabasa tayo. Lalo na at alam natin na importante yung pagbabasa. Sabi nila, we have to invest at least 1% of the day in reading. So we have 24 hours a day. If we can invest at least 1%, imagine only 1% of the day, we will learn a lot and it will become a habit. Why it's important to read? Bakit nga ba kailangan nating magbasa? Kasi reading can help us improve our concentration. It also helps to prevent memory loss. So, lalo na ako, medyo may lahi kami ng madaling makalimot, kaya kailangan ko talagang magbasa. It also sharpen our brain and expand our vocabulary. So, have you noticed yung mga successful na tao? Mahilig talaga silang magbasa. Nagbabasa sila ng mga newspaper, but they don't read on the showbiz portion. They will immediately turn the page to the business update. In Atomy, we recommend you to read inspirational books or maybe those books about financial literacy. They say the more that you read, the more things you will know. And the more that you will learn, the more places you will go. So remember, reading gives you the power to be whoever you want. Kaya, let's invest at least 1% of our day to read something meaningful. So that's one of our 8 core in Atomy. Second is watching video. But please take note, we are referring to Atomy videos. There's a lot of video that we can watch from channel Atomy. Atomy YouTube channel. We can also have Atomy Sen, that's the YouTube channel of SM Daryl. We also have a lot of presentations that we can find. For every country, may kanya-kanyang channel Atomy. When watching video, we can keep successful people by our side. Kasi nga minsan, hindi naman tayo maka-attend physically. Minsan, medyo malayo yung venue. O kaya yung mga successful na mga Korean or mga ini-inspire natin na mga leaders. Hindi natin agad sila basta-basta napupuntahan. But if we can watch their video, we feels like parang katabi lang natin sila. We can learn from them. So kahit malayo tayo sa kanila, we can learn from them. So one of my favorite actually is si Coach Ju, 'di ba? Pero I think 3 times ko na siyang na-meet. I always say, we are very lucky kasi sobrang generous ni Atomy. Andiyan na lahat sa channel Atomy. We can watch marketing plan, product introduction videos, and testimonies. When I started in Atomy, I started by watching videos of our CEO Hangel Park. Kasi sobrang nakaka-inspire ang mga videos niya. At kapag medyo nanghihina or medyo feeling mo, bakit parang mabagal, bakit parang walang nangyayari, manood ka lang ng video ng ating CEO. And you will be energized again. And you will be inspired again. Kasi maliliwanagan ulit tayo. Babalik tayo sa umpisa na bakit natin nagustuhan na mag-join sa Atomy. It is also good to watch product presentation and testimonies from there, mas magiging familiar tayo sa mga products at saka sa mga benefits ng Atomy products. So, gaano karaming oras ba ang nauubos natin sa panonood ng K-drama sa Netflix? Or maybe mga videos from TikTok. O, 'di ba? Alam ko, isa rin ako diyan sa mga guilty. Pero hindi natin dapat kalimutan, manood tayo ng Atomy videos. If we want to change our life, let's start to change our habits as well. Umpisahan natin manood ng Atomy videos araw-araw. We can start with short videos, kahit mga 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Importante, may mga new learnings. Kasi sa panonood natin ng video or ng mga Atomy videos, sure po tayo na marami tayong matututunan. Okay, so that's number 2. Now we go to number 3, which is attend meeting. So ngayon, yung ginagawa natin na Zoom meeting, this is part of our 8 core. So ito yung ginagawa natin para tayo ay maging successful. So in attending the meeting, it will help us to refuel our enthusiasm. Actually, medyo ilang araw akong nawala kasi nagbakasyon yung mga in-laws ko from US and Canada. Medyo maraming gala kung saan-saan kami pumunta, kaya hindi ako nakapag-attend ng mga meetings. Kaya medyo parang yung 3 weeks, yung 3 weeks na holiday na yun, parang feeling ko something is missing. Kaya yun, luckily andito na po ulit ako. I'm back after ng mga 3 weeks na pahinga sa mga meetings. So, palagi kong sinasabi, kahit anong business ang papasukin natin, for sure kailangan mong alamin kung paano ito gawin. At napaka-generous nga ni Atomy, binibigay niya sa atin lahat. Hindi ka matatakot na paano kung nawala na yung aking sponsor or hindi na siya naging active. Kung nawala ang direct sponsor mo, for sure mayroon pa rin dyan active sponsor sa taas mo na tutulong sa'yo. At the same time, you can go to the nearest Atomy Center, join their meetings, join one-day seminar and success academy, join the Zoom meetings, and you can also arrange a meeting with your mentors and downlines if necessary. So, marami po tayong mga schedule ng meetings. Actually, every day, almost every day, meron tayong Zoom meeting. Kapag Monday, 8 a.m., nandyan ang North Carolina Global Zoom Meeting. Kapag Monday, 8 p.m. ay Mindoro Center Zoom Meeting. At every Tuesday na 7:30 p.m. katulad ngayon is Marinduque Global Center. Kapag naman Wednesday, nandyan ang Camarines Norte Sorsogon Center. At kapag Thursday, 8 p.m., LMMC and Channel Atomy. So, kapag Friday, meron tayong mini revival by Pastor John. At kapag Saturday, Business as Mission by Pastor John kapag 7 p.m. At kapag naman 8 p.m. ay Vision to Reality ng team ni Dr. Tin. So, ay ni Doc Ses. Okay, sorry. So, yun. Marami po tayong mga available na meetings. Marami tayong way para matutunan yung Atomy business and do it in a correct way. So, we just need to invest some time. Let's attend the meetings. So, sabi nga po nila, kahit daw user ka ng products, kahit sabihin mong ginagawa mo yung business, pero kung hindi ka naka-plug in, hindi ka nag-a-attend ng mga meetings, hindi ka nag-a-attend ng Success Academy, one-day seminar, or yung mga center meeting, global meeting, it will be very difficult for you to succeed. So, ganun din, kung gusto natin na ma-duplicate yung mga members natin, or maging active din sila, kailangan po talaga hatakin natin sila na mag-attend ng mga meetings. Kasi alam ko na it's a challenge na minsan invite tayo ng invite para mag-join sila sa meeting pero hindi nila nagagawa ng time. Siguro hindi pa nila masyadong nakikita yung vision. Pero kailangan hindi po tayo titigil. Let's always invite them to attend the meeting. Pero hindi lang invite them. We also make ourselves available sa mga meetings na to at saka sa mga success seminars. So, that's number 3 of the 8 core. Let's now go to number 4, which is use the product. So, currently, meron pong ongoing na Take 2 sachet of Himuhim Daily. So, ito ay isang way para for us na talagang hindi makalimutan gumamit ng Atomy products. So, I'm already on my how many days? 14 days. So, bali dito ako sa Atomy Singapore naka-join ng challenge. But nagse-send pa rin po ako ng picture sa Atomy Philippines. So alam ko si DM Ralem sa Atomy USA siya, but she's also sharing pictures sa Atomy Philippines. So yun, anong importance ng pag-join sa challenge na 'to ng Himo-Him to Sachet Habit na pag-take? Hindi lang 'to para gawin yung 8 core daily na use the product, but to enhance our immunity, reduce fatigue, and improve our overall health. Kasi alam naman natin na napakalaki ng benefits nitong ating flagship product na Himo-Him. So when using the product, sabi ng ating CEO, we have to love our tools of success. And in Atomy, our product is our tools of success. We have to love them. Kasi nga, sabi ni Chairman, you cannot do Atomy business without using our products. So, because you could not share the goodness of the product unless you use them. So, makikita nyo po dun sa screen. So, ganyan po kami ka-crazy sa Atomy product. So, sa toilet, hindi ko mabilang kung ilan. So, from shampoo, conditioner, body wash, feminine wash, hair treatment, body cleanser, may scrub. Magkaiba pa kami ni Mister ng ng body wash at facial wash kasi sa kanya yung blue, sa akin ay white. And then we also do our regular facial. So yan, isa yan sa banding naming mag-asawa. We really love the Atomy Evening Care Faucet. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang kape kasi coffee is life. Yan ay isa sa aming mga favorite. At isa pa, kung makikita niyo yung last picture, yung nasa right side, ayan ay picture nung nag-attend kami sa dinner ng bagong kasal naming kaibigan. So usually, nagbibigay tayo ng gift kapag nag-a-attend tayo sa mga party. Since they are newlywed, naisip namin na magandang pangregalo din itong Atomy product. So complete set, may hand soap, this detergent, scrubber, the stainless scrubber and sponge, toothpaste, toothbrush. O 'di ba? Kapag bibili tayo ng regalo, let's always consider na bumili dun sa ating sariling tindahan. Kasi nga, yung product naman natin hindi nakakahiyang ipamigay or ipangregalo. Kasi napakaganda naman ng quality. So, as an Atomian, masasabi natin na legit Atomian ka kung sa bahay mo ay mayroon kang mga Atomy products na regular na ginagamit. So, that's number 4 on our 8 core. The next is STP or show the plan. So in STP, we have to explain the Atomy through one-to-one meeting or even a short small group meeting and briefly introduce the company. So we just need to briefly introduce the company. We can say this is an online distribution of daily necessities product with global opportunity, and we can convert our household expenses into income. So, pwede rin na we introduce the product. Company is using masstige strategy. It's a combination of two words, mass and prestige. Means prestigious products available to masses. So, magaganda yung kalidad ng ating produkto, pero presyong abot kaya. Sulit na sulit yung ibabayad natin sa quality ng product ng Atomy. Or, when introducing the product, pwede ring i-share natin yung personal experience natin. Halimbawa, first time mong gumamit ng Atomy toothpaste and then na-prove mo na totoo nga, walang amoy panis na laway pagising sa umaga. So, pwede yon as a way to introduce our company or introduce our product. Share your experience in using our products. Kaya importante na ginagawa natin yung step 4. We use the product para meron tayong ma-share. Another way is we can also introduce briefly our compensation plan kung familiar ka sa compensation plan. So we can emphasize on the strength. Example, sabihin natin na Atomy is using the binary strategy, which is kapag binary, we only need to maintain two legs or two groups, two consumer groups. So, mas madaling i-manage kasi dalawang grupo lang. And in Atomy, there is no registration fee, no maintenance fee, at may unlimited level and unlimited accumulation of PB. At walang time bound. So, anong ibig sabihin ng unlimited level? Ibig sabihin po, since binary tayo, we only build left and right consumer group, kapag yung lineage natin ay bumaba ng bumaba, dumami ng dumami, kahit pa po umabot na ng 1,000 or million yung members mo, we will still benefit sa purchase, sa PB ng purchase nung pinakailalim na member natin. Kahit pa pang 1,000 na siya or pang 1 million na siya, we will still get 100% of their PB. At another thing na maganda dito sa Atomy is, wala po tayong time bound. Ibig sabihin po, yung ating group PB, hindi siya nag-e-expire as long as hindi tayo nababayaran ng komisyon. So, nababayaran po tayo ng komisyon kapag yung ating both left and right group PB ay umabot na ng 300,000 PB. So, minsan may isang side na mas madaming bumibili, so mas mabilis umaakyat ang PB sa isang side, pero yung isa medyo mas mabagal. So, don't worry po kasi hihintayin ng ating malaking PB or ng strong na leg natin yung ating weaker leg. So, hindi siya mag-expire hanggat hindi tayo nababayaran ng komisyon. And we are Global One Marketing. Ibig sabihin, we can build our business globally. We are available in 27 regions, so including po doon yung Europe. So, sa Europe, marami pong bansa doon, kaya umaabot na ng around 56 na countries ang pwede nating maging partner ng ating business or i-build ang ating business sa iba't ibang bansa na yan. So, para tayong may tindahan sa iba't ibang bansa. Kasi, yung ID po natin, halimbawa kung Atomy Philippines ka at pumunta ka sa Singapore, pwede mo pong magamit yung ID mo kahit pa ikaw ay Atomy Philippines para mag-purchase sa Singapore. Medyo strict lang po talaga yung rule sa Singapore. I think Singapore pa lang yung nag-i-implement ng ganito. Kami po na Atomy Singapore member, ang ID namin ay pwede lang namin gamitin bumili ng product na available dito sa Singapore. Ibig sabihin po, example Himuhim, dahil available siya sa Singapore, I cannot buy Himuhim using my ID in Atomy Philippines. Kasi nga, available ang Himuhim sa Singapore. So, I can only use my ID to purchase product kung yung product ay hindi available sa Singapore. So, halimbawa, maybe yung gloves, since hindi siya available sa Singapore, if I will go to US, I can buy yung gloves using my ID. But nevertheless, meron din po tayong Atomy Global. So, kung may mga product na hindi po available sa bansa natin, pwede po nating bilihin using ATG. So, nakakatuwa kasi unlike sa ibang network marketing business, kung ikaw ay member sa Pilipinas, kung magbi-build ka ng group or ng team sa ibang bansa, you need to register another account for that country. But in Atomy, global po yung ating ID, global one server po yung ginagamit, kaya pwede tayong mag-build ng iba't ibang team sa iba't ibang bansa kahit pa anong country yung registration mo. As long as available na po yung Atomy. At sa Atomy, we have equal opportunity and compensation ceiling. So, sa iba, maybe hindi, sa unang tingin, iisipin nila, bakit may compensation ceiling? Hindi maganda. Pero sa totoo lang po, maganda yung intention ng paglalagay ng compensation ceiling. Kasi, yan ay para magkaroon ng equal opportunity. Kasi nga, sa ibang company, kung sino yung naunang nag-join, sila lang yung laging matataas ang kinikita. Unlike sa Atomy, since naglagay ng compensation ceiling, kapag na-reach mo na yung maximum na income, kahit pa mag-overflow or dumami pa ng dumami yung PB under your lineage, dun ka lang sa maximum income. Kaya darating yung time, kahit ikaw ay ngayon lang nag-join, or yung iba nauna na sa atin 14 years ago, pwede tayong magkita-kita sa taas. Sabi nga nila palagi, see you at the top. Kasi kapag nasa maximum income ka na, they have no choice but to wait for us. At saka wag niyo pong ikalungkot na may compensation ceiling kasi yung ceiling na income naman po ay napakalaki. Hindi niyo na rin po yan kayang gastusin. So, yung more details about po dyan ay pwede nating mapanood sa mga complete na STP or yung mga marketing plan. So, another way ng show the plan is to share the vision. Kasi pwede nating sabihin sa mga tao, kasi hindi lahat ng tao magaling mag-explain or hindi lahat ng tao kayang i-explain kaagad lalo na kung bago pa lang. So, pwede nating sabihin na you may not be good speaker but don't worry kasi lahat ng detail, even if you don't know how to explain every detail, you can just share the vision. Ano ba yung magandang nakita mo sa Atomy? Bakit ka nag-join? So, halimbawa, you can ask, how they plan for their retirement. Kasi lagi kong sinasabi ang retirement. Kasi yan ang goal ko na makapag-retire ng maaga. Or gusto mo ba ng passive income? Or maybe share to them that you started an online business. Or if they want extra income, tell them that you are no longer worried para sa future ng mga children mo. Kasi we have 3 generation inheritance in Atomy na kahit pa inaagawan na ng trabaho ng AI at robots yung mga tao or lalo na yung mga susunod pang mga henerasyon, kung may passive income ka na, hindi ka na magwo-worry. So, in doing STP or show the plan, we don't have to explain everything. We just give them brief introduction. Spark that curiosity in them. Kasi, yung best thing is to go back to number 3, attend the meeting. So, sa show the plan, parang pinapahapyawan lang natin sila dito sa 8 core. Kasi mas importante na maaya natin sila na makapag-attend sa mga Success Academy, one-day seminar. So, go back to number 3 na attend the meeting. Bring them to attend meeting with you. But of course, with you, you should also attend. Kaya medyo guilty kasi one of my member will attend Success Academy in Philippines this coming September, but I am not there. So, anyway, I'm happy that she's plugging into the system. Or kung hindi man available sa meeting or masyadong malayo yung venue, pwede rin naman na mag-go back to number 2, watch video. So, we can watch video sa channel Atomy. So, yun ang STP, ang number 5 sa ating 8 core. Next is talk to consumer. We are on number 6 na. So, go 100. Let's go out and tell people about Atomy products. The more we talk about Atomy products, the more we get consumers. Sabi nga nila in Atomy, ang ating tindahan ay ang ating bibig. Kaya kung palaging nakasara ang bibig, it means palaging sarado ang ating tindahan. So, paano may bibili? Kaya kailangan palagi nating bubuksan ang ating bibig, palagi natin i-share yung Atomy products and how it benefits us. At saka yung opportunity sa Atomy. So, kung tayo ay nakabenta or na may binigyan tayo ng product or meron tayong pinag-try ng product, make sure to see how consumers and partners are doing. Do they try the product or baka naman nahiya lang sila, tinanggap pero inilagay lang sa isang tabi. So, kumustahin natin anong experience nila sa paggamit ng product. Or maybe, teach them how to use the product. Kasi, halimbawa, yung foam cleanser. So, kasi nasanay tayo yung iba, yung panghilamos, once na nilagay sa kamay, diretso na kaagad sa mukha. So, ituro natin sa kanila yung tamang paggamit na yung foam cleanser, yung bisa niya ay nasa foam. Kailangan pabulain muna siya, tapos saka ihilamos. So, importante po na kinakausap natin yung mga consumers. So, baka mamaya may binentahan tayo ng evening care faucet, pero hindi naman nila alam kung paano gamitin. Tapos later on, babalikan ka nila, hindi naman effective. Kasi, hindi pala nila nagamit ng tama. Kaya very important po na kinakausap natin yung ating mga consumers. Sabi nga nila, we have to do the check-up. Do not just sell once and forget. Do not just tell once and assume. And do not just think that they know. So remember, we have to talk to our consumers. We have to do follow-up. So another is on the eighth core is sponsor consultation. So even a simple phone call works, but consult only to your sponsor who is plugged into Atomy system. Kasi baka mamaya yung sponsor mo hindi naman pala naka-plug in, tapos puros negative ang sasabihin sa'yo, hindi po yun maganda. So, sponsor may not be the person who recruits you. So we have to find someone who is actively doing Atomy. And then let's consult with them. There's a lot of things that we can consult to our sponsors. So halimbawa, lalo na kapag magcha-challenge, so don't forget that this business or Atomy business is a team business, is a teamwork. So, kailangan teamwork. Kaya lagi tayong magko-consult sa ating sponsor. Or maybe yung ating mga members, kumustahin din natin. So, marami tayong pwedeng itanong. Example, minsan yung iba sinasabi nila, paano ko ba i-grow yung team ko? Konti lang yung kilala ko or wala naman akong masyadong kakilala. Pero kung uupuan ninyo 'yan or siguro kung mag-consult ka sa sponsor mo, puwede ka niyang matulungan, mabigyan ng guidance, paano ba gawa ng list. Part 'yan ng ating 8 steps. So, marami tayong puwedeng, hindi akala natin hindi hindi sila hindi nila gagawin yung business, pero yun pala, they are looking for something na puwede nilang pagkakitaan or maybe they have some health issue. So, gano'n, marami tayong puwedeng i-consult sa ating mga sponsor. Halimbawa, hindi natin alam kung paano gumawa ng proper lineage. So, puwede rin po natin 'yan i-consult sa ating sponsor. So, always consult with our sponsor. Consult your sponsor to see how you are doing. And the last on our 8 core is build trust. So we have to smile, greet, talk, and compliment others more. So dito sa Atomy, gaan po ng feeling kasi nga kahit nga yung mga members or yung mga partners na hindi naman natin talaga kakilala, usually sa Zoom lang tayo nagkikita, pero 'pag nagkita in actual akala mo ang tagal-tagal ng magkakilala. Kasi nga na-build na yung trust. Kasi alam natin na yung foundation ng Atomy, yung ating CEO ay mayroong pure heart, mabuti siyang tao, so maganda yung ating foundation at yun din yung lagi na ini-emphasize niya sa'tin. So, katulad na lang sa ating company motto, o 'di ba? So, napakaganda ng company, kaya yung mga leaders natin, they are trustworthy. Sila yung ating mga mapagkakatiwalaan kasi nga na-train na rin sila ng ating CEO na maging, mas mabuting tao and serve in humility. So, yun, we just always need to pero hindi naman kailangan maging plastic ha. When we smile, it means yung totoong smile. Ibig sabihin, totoong binabati natin yung tao. And also, lead conversation as per the other person's interest. So kapag alam mo na nga na yung tao halimbawa may sakit, may dinaramdam, tapos medyo tight na yung budget nila, wag mo nang ipagpilitan yung mga beauty products. Kasi nga, mas kailangan nila yung health supplement. Kaya importante na kilalanin natin sino ba yung kausap natin. Ano yung pangangailangan nung kaharap natin. Kasi kung mas alam natin yung needs nila, mas madaling mag-build ng trust. So, let's talk about their interests. Sabi nga nila, people's heart will open up. And we always remember our company motto, we have to serve in humility. So, be authentic in all interaction with our partners. Sabi ko nga, walang plastic, wag naman yung ngingiti para lang masabing nakangiti. Pero deep inside, hindi naman. So, kailangan authentic po tayo when we interact with our partners. Treat your partners like your baby, not like a cow. And communicate always. Don't wait until it is time to bargain to start working through problems. Kung meron man konting hindi pagkakaintindihan, wag na nating hintaying lumaki pa hangga't sa umpisa pa lang pag-usapan na kaagad. Kung may concern, kailangan pag-usapan ng maayos. At saka lagi natin kukumustahin lalo na yung mga consumers natin. Hindi naman yung tuwing magcha-challenge lang saka lang mangungumusta. So dapat talaga magkaroon tayo ng ma-build natin yung trust. Remember, if people don't trust you, they are less likely to work with you, invest in you, or pursue shared goals. Kaya, mas maganda po na ma-build natin yung trust with our partners. So, just to share, this is the sample 8-core checklist. So, natapos ko nang i-explain yung 8-core checklist. So, meron pong available yan sa mga live scenario booklet. At meron din po yan sa ating apps. Sa ating mobile apps, punta lang po kayo sa Atomy Shop. Kapag kinlik nyo po yung 3 lines below, and then i-click mo yung My Office, tapos punta sa Follow the Success, at makikita nyo na po doon yung may monthly 8 core. So, pwede po nating i-track yung ating 8 core checklist sa ating apps para makita natin yung progress. So, yan, sabi ni Napoleon Hill, some people dream of success, while others wake up and work hard of it. Sabi naman ni John Maxwell, the goal of all learning is action, not knowledge. Kaya, after knowing the daily 8 core of Atomy na nakakatulong para maging successful ang ating mga leaders, let us follow them. Kasi nga, na-try na nila yan eh. Proven na yan na makakatulong para tayo maging successful. So, let us turn our knowledge into action. Wag lang after ng Zoom meeting, narinig yung 8 core and then nakalimutan na. So, let us make this 8 core our daily habit. So, with that, thank you very much and aja. Again, this is SM Belen Padilla from Atomy, Singapore.